egg tomato French toast or chili tomato French toast. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the breakfast recipes and one of the most unique of the bread egg recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most unique of the French toast recipes and one of the most different of the tomato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the toast recipes. Today we're going to make chili tomato French toast. The ingredients are around 6 to 7 slices of bread, 1 red chili, 1 tomato cut into thin slices, salt to taste, and 2 eggs. Put in the chili and the tomato pieces into the grinder and grind well. Now break in the 2 eggs. Mix the white and yellow portion of the egg thoroughly. Mix. Until it becomes fluffy. Now put in the chili tomato ground mixture that we ground the grinder. Mix thoroughly. Until it's nicely mixed. Thoroughly mix until it's nicely mixed. Put in salt to taste. Then put in sugar if you want it to be sweet. Along with the salt. Mix thoroughly. And this mixture can be used to further make the French toast. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Spread the oil on the pan. Now dip the bread into the egg chili tomato mixture and put it into the pan and let it fry. Move it around. Turn it over. Turn it over and take off the pan and onto the plate. Now dip the next bread piece into the batter, egg tomato batter, and fry. Move it around. Turn it over. Turn it over. Now take off the pan and onto the plate. Pour in 5 ml more of oil. Apply it evenly onto the pan. Dip in the egg chili tomato batter. let it fry. Do this until all the bread pieces are nicely fried. Turn it over. This is the final chili tomato French toast. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most unique of the egg bread recipes and one of the most different of the French toast recipes and one of the most unique of the chili recipes and one of the most different of the tomato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the toast recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the breakfast recipes and one of the most different of the bread recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.